In this video, we are going to see how to install the MCP server in order to interact with MDT using natural language. As a reminder, MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. It is an open standard that enables artificial intelligence models to connect with external tools, data, and systems in a structured and secure way. As prerequisites, MDT26 must be installed and activated, as well as a desktop AI assistant, such as Anthropic's Claude Desktop, or Claude Code, or OpenAI's Codex. The MDT26 installation includes a utility to automatically configure the assistant. To do this, in the Appletop MDT26 program group, look for an icon named Setup AI MCP. Run it by double-clicking the icon, and the agents detected on the system will be displayed. In this case, select Claude Desktop and click Next. Check that the configuration has been completed successfully and that the installation has finished. The assistant must be restarted, so if you are not sure whether it has been fully closed, you can terminate the process using Task Manager. Now launch Claude and open the settings to verify that the configuration has been applied correctly. Next, launch MDT26 with the CAD platform installed on your system. Finally, arrange the windows so that both the AI assistant and MDT are visible at the same time, either on one screen or across two screens.